morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I got a new recording program yesterday, and I recorded, but there was just static over it. My cursor would only sit to the left. So I'm using my old recording program to record this. We're going to use my new one to edit it. So we're going to see how that works. I did do 6 1/4 points yesterday, so we'll take a look at that before we get started. And then we'll get the move on. What's been going on? I started working out yesterday. The plan was to get up at 5:30. I got up at 6. I was on the mat at 6:30. I could not start until 6:45 because I couldn't figure out how to cast my screen from my phone to the TV. But I got that all worked out now. We're going to get this worked out because this quarantine 15, it's like the freshman 15. I got the quarantine 20. I've eaten like it was my job. It will be my job to take care of myself from here on out. I know I've said it a bunch of times, but this is going to happen. And I'm going to hopefully take some of y'all with me because that's what I like to do whenever I get into that healthy, let's do good for ourselves mode. I try and take as many people with me as possible. Let's go ahead and check out this market. Okay, let's see what's happened. Let's pull up this daily chart. Daily chart. Oh, wow. Okay, so yesterday I talked a little bit about the way the MACDs were still pushing up. The Bollinger Band is not catching up with it, so it's pulled right into the EMA, which may give us a snapback about right now. But BBs are still to the upside. I'd have to see how this BB reacts if it starts pulling back down. We've got a potential reversal bar up there, so we may just be in this move back to the downside. There we go. Oh, I couldn't even hit the close in time. And pull this up a little bit higher. Ooh. Yeah. Just trying to get right behind this little bit. Yeah, moved it too fast. Look at that, still going up. Yeah, oh, tried to hit the close. Nope, not in time. These are going to push higher. Ooh, that's a bad entry. I want to be back behind here. I don't mind being behind the close, but ooh. I'm actually thinking about hitting close really, really quick here. Yeah, it stopped me out before I could hit close. Trying to force things because I want another trade before the end of the day. Going for it again. Maybe a mistake. This is really struggling. My wrist really should be right back above here. Last shot at it. Wrist is in the proper place. There we go. All right, this will end my day, one way or another. $6.10 is saying more down. There we go. Pull that one in just a little bit. Ooh. Could really see it pulling right back to where this break even is. I'm going to do a +1 on that. There we go. Okay, I'm done. Today was a tough day for me. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, we'll go with 9 points. 9 trades, 9 points. Let's actually go all the way back to yesterday and talk a little bit about that. Okay, so yesterday I had 4 trades, 1.5 losses. So the first trade was a short, exited for 2, got 2.5. My next trade, this is the one I chased. I chased this one, which pulled back and stopped me out. My risk was, let me put on these crosshairs. My risk was right here when I got in, which it pulled back and stopped me out to the tick and then pushed in that direction. That's what happens when you, that's the risk you take when you chase trades, right? So turned around, took the long, exited here for 2 points, and then before I could even move my risk up, this just slammed to the downside. So this was the end of yesterday. This just slammed to the downside. Pulled back up. So one of them was positive. The next one was a loss. So it was really just an even out of 1 point there. Took the short here, got out for 2 points, then 1.25 points. So let's go to today. Plus minus 0.0, which we know is really a loss because of commissions, right? Okay, y'all. So that's an hour of trading today. Yesterday was only about 20 minutes worth of trading. For this to happen, I started at 14:23 and I ended at 14:52. So 30 minutes of trading. So 2 days worth of trading, 15.25 points. I'm okay with that for a Monday and a Tuesday. I'll tell you what, I've not even had my coffee today. So I'm going to wrap this up. It is 11 o'clock, so it's time for lunch. Some coffee. Tomorrow morning I will be up at 6 a.m. so I can work out. So if anybody needs a morning workout partner, we can Zoom together. So we're going to wrap that up. If anybody has any questions, definitely let me know. But otherwise, guys, as always, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.